Ever wondered how to stay fit while traveling? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many. Maintaining fitness on the move is not just about squeezing in a workout here and there, but it's also about having the right workout outfit and keeping up a healthy routine, even when you're holed up in a hotel room. It's a balancing act that requires planning, discipline, and a bit of creativity. So stay tuned as we dive into the nitty-gritty of staying fit while traveling. Now let's delve into the realm of workout attire. It's not just about looking the part. It's about feeling comfortable, flexible, and ready to get moving. Your clothing choices can significantly impact your performance and motivation. Think about it. If you've packed a pair of trousers that are too tight or a shirt that's too heavy, you're not going to feel your best. You might even be tempted to skip your workout altogether. That's why it's crucial to pack clothes that are comfortable, lightweight, and versatile. When it comes to workout clothes, lightweight is the way to go. You want fabrics that are breathable and won't weigh you down. Look for materials that are quick drying. These can be a lifesaver if you're on the move and don't have time to wait for clothes to dry. Versatility is key too. You want pieces that can do double duty. A good quality sports t-shirt, for instance, can be just as suitable for a morning run as it is for a casual day exploring the city. Think multi-purpose, and you'll not only save space in your luggage, but you'll also be ready for whatever the day throws at you. Let's not forget about footwear. A good pair of trainers can make all the difference. They provide the support and cushioning your feet need, whether you're hitting the hotel gym or pounding the pavement. Plus, a well-chosen pair can be stylish enough for everyday wear. All in all, packing the right workout clothes is about more than just aesthetics. It's about ensuring you have the comfort and flexibility you need to stick to your fitness routine, no matter where you are in the world. Remember, the right workout outfit can make or break your fitness routine while traveling. So, let's pack smart and stay fit, no matter where our travels take us. Now, let's talk about staying active in a hotel room. Often we find ourselves stranded in a hotel room away from our regular fitness regime. But that doesn't mean we have to let our health take a back seat. Quite the contrary. There's a myriad of exercises you can do right here in your temporary abode. First up, let's get back to basics with some good old-fashioned bodyweight exercises. Squats, for instance, are a fantastic way to engage your lower body and core. You can perform them anywhere, even in a hotel room. They strengthen your legs and glutes and improve your balance. Moving on, lunges are another great exercise you can do in your hotel room. Like squats, they target your lower body and core, enhancing your stability and overall strength. You can make them more challenging by doing them with a suitcase or backpack for added resistance. Next, we have push-ups, a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They're straightforward, effective, and require no equipment. You can adjust the difficulty level by placing your hands on the bed for an incline push-up or by doing them on your knees. Now, if you're seeking a more serene workout, yoga is the way to go. It's perfect for a hotel room setting, quiet, peaceful, and restorative. Yoga will not only stretch your body, but also calm your mind, helping you deal with travel stress. Speaking of space utilization, furniture can be your best friend. Use the bed for tricep dips or the chair for step-ups. Get creative with your surroundings, and you'll find a multitude of ways to break a sweat. Now, if you have a bit of space in your suitcase, consider packing a resistance band or a jump rope. Resistance bands are versatile fitness tools that can add a challenging element to your workouts. You can use them for exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, or glute bridges. A jump rope, on the other hand, is a fantastic cardio tool. It's fun, effective, and can burn a lot of calories in a short time. The beauty of these exercises and tools is that they're adaptable. You can adjust the intensity based on your fitness level and the space available. And remember, consistency is key. Even a short workout is better than no workout. So even in the confines of a hotel room, there's no excuse not to break a sweat. The world is your gym and your health is in your hands. It's about making the most of what you have, wherever you are. After all, fitness is not a destination, it's a way of life. Maintaining a healthy diet while traveling can be challenging, but it's not impossible. While we're on the move, It's easy to fall into the trap of convenience food. Quick, cheap, and readily available, these foods often lack the nutrients our bodies need to stay fit and healthy. But fear not, with a little preparation and mindful choices, you can maintain a balanced diet no matter where your travels take you. Firstly, aim to eat local produce whenever possible. Not only does this support local economies, but it also ensures you're getting the freshest, most nutritious foods available. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are your best friends on this journey. Staying hydrated is another key element of nutrition on the go. Water is your best bet, as it's calorie-free and helps to keep your body functioning optimally. Try to carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times and refill it throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for herbal teas or infusions if you need a flavorful pick-me-up. Now, let's talk about alcohol. While it can be tempting to indulge in local brews or cocktails, remember that alcohol is high in empty calories and can dehydrate your body. So, enjoy it in moderation and always have a glass of water nearby to sip on. As for those late-night cravings or when healthy options are scarce, having a stash of nutritious snacks can be a lifesaver. Think of packing some nuts, dried fruits, or protein bars in your bag. They are compact, non-perishable, and packed full of nutrients to keep you energized and satiated. Finally, while it's fine to treat yourself occasionally, try to avoid excessive junk food. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts, which can lead to weight gain and sap your energy levels. Remember, a healthy diet is as important as your workout regimen. It's about finding balance and making choices that nourish both your body and your soul. A healthy diet is as crucial as a good workout in maintaining fitness. Last but not least, let's not forget the importance of rest and relaxation. As much as our bodies need movement and nutrition, they also crave downtime. Sleep, for instance, is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the time when our bodies repair and rejuvenate, preparing us for another day of exploration and adventure. Now, you might be thinking, how can I ensure quality sleep in unfamiliar surroundings? Well, a few tips might help. Establish a sleep routine even when you're traveling. Go to bed and wake up at consistent times. This will help your body clock adjust to the new environment. But rest isn't just about sleep. It's also about taking time to unwind. This might look different for everyone. Some might find solace in a good book, others might prefer meditation or listening to calming music. Find what works for you and make it a part of your travel routine. Stress, as we all know, can be a silent saboteur of health, so it's essential to stay as stress-free as possible. Practice deep breathing, take leisurely walks, or simply sit back and enjoy the view. All these activities can help you relax and keep stress at bay. Remember, rest and relaxation are key components of a healthy lifestyle. So even when you're on the go, make sure to take a moment for yourself. After all, a well-rested traveler is a happy traveler. So, that covers the basics of staying fit while traveling. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane, shall we? We've covered the importance of packing the right workout outfits. Remember, comfort, functionality, and versatility are your guiding principles. We've discussed how you can turn your hotel room into your personal gym with a variety of exercises that require no special equipment. We've also delved into nutrition on the go, emphasizing the need for balance and moderation, while still allowing for the occasional treat. And let's not forget the importance of rest and relaxation to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. In essence, maintaining fitness while traveling is all about adapting your routines to your changing environment. It's about being flexible, yet disciplined. It's about making choices that prioritize your health, even when you're miles away from home. With these tips in your arsenal, staying fit on the move should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe.